My name is Pelle Friese.
I'm going to present Omniplex from Farmavita, an amazing treatment program that secures you outstanding results as you do your chemical treatments in your salon. My beautiful model, Cecilia, would love to go back close to her natural blonde hair, so this will be a two-step process. First, I'm going to bleach the pre-colored hair, which has level 4. I'm mixing 100 grams of Farmavita bleach powder blue with 20 volume peroxide, 6%. To create a healthy result, I'll add 20 grams of Farmavita Omniplex number 1, the bond maker. This will secure you a healthy hair result. A side benefit from using Omniplex in bleach is that you'll get a smooth and creamy consistency in your bleach mix that makes it easy to apply. Apply from regrowth towards end, starting at the back, then sides and front. I'm now rinsing the back and leaving on the front and sides for approximately another 10 minutes to secure an even result. Rinse hair well, then shampoo with Farmavita Color Saver shampoo. After rinsing and shampoo, towel dry hair. Apply and distribute Omniplex number 2, the bond reinforcer. Use same amounts that you normally would use for a treatment or conditioner, so you feel the hair is covered, and comb through. Leave it on for minimum 5 minutes. Rinse hair firmly, then blow dry hair. I'll now make 2 mixes of colors, one for the regrowth that's slightly lighter and more yellow than the ends, and another mix for ends. Color mix number 1 for regrowth. 1/3 part of 7.00, 1/3 part of 8.00, 1/3 part of 8.3, 20 grams of each color, mixed with 75 grams peroxide, 10 volume, 3%. And for color work, I'll add 1 gram of Omniplex number 1 per 10 grams of color. So I'll add a total of 6 grams of Omniplex number 1, the bond maker. Color mix number 2 for ends. To create a nice and base gold color natural blonde, I'll create a nice mix that will kill the yellow and orange pigments that's remaining on the hair after the bleaching process. 1/3 of 8.1, 1/3 of 9.02, and 1/3 of 9.22, with 10 volume, 3%, and 30 grams of each color, means a total of 9 grams Omniplex number 1, the bond maker. Apply root color mix number 1 on all roots and regrowth. Then apply color mix number 2 on the remaining hair. Leave color on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse as hair reaches a base gold tone. After rinsing and shampoo, towel dry hair. Apply and distribute Omniplex number 2, the bond reinforcer, from roots to ends and comb through. Again, use same amount of Omniplex number 2 that you normally would use for a treatment or a conditioner, so you feel the hair is covered. Leave Omniplex number 2, the bond reinforcer, on hair for minimum 5 minutes. Rinse hair firmly, then blow dry and style hair in the desired look.
Just by a one-time bleach with the amazing Omniplex, and the hair is soft and smooth.
Here's what I did. I mixed bleach powder blue with 20 volume and Omniplex number 1. Then I applied and lift the color. I rinsed firmly and shampoo hair. Then applied Omniplex number 2. Then I rinsed and blow dried the hair. I decided to do 2 color mix, one for the regrowth and another mix for the remaining hair. After rinsing firmly and shampooed, I apply Omniplex number 2. After rinsing, I blow dried hair, and after showing a smooth and straight result, I created a restyle using curling iron.